Before I get too deep into the details, let's define what a class is. In very general terms, a class is a template for creating objects. All of the objects created from the template will have the same properties and methods. Classes also provide state storage and behavior. They define properties which can store data in the objects created from the class, and they provide behavior in the form of methods defined on the class. Perhaps most importantly, classes encapsulate reusable functionality related to a particular entity. I'm using the term entity very generally to mean some thing. That thing might be a book or an author in our library app, or it could be a team or a player in a sports app of some kind. Classes help us think about our programs in simpler terms that have some direct relation to our problem domain. If you've ever done any development in an object-oriented language like C# or Java, then a lot of what I'm going to cover in this module should sound very familiar, and I imagine you'll feel right at home. Much like those languages, TypeScript classes define types and contain properties and methods. They also have constructors and access modifiers you can apply, and they support inheritance and abstract classes. All of the functional programming goodness of JavaScript remains, but TypeScript adds to that the object-oriented constructs familiar to many developers. The first of these we'll look at is constructors.